In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so Rayan, we are going to go find letter Ba, letter Ta, letter Tha. So all three look like boats, right? The first boat, the Ba has one dot. The Ta has two dots. Okay, and the Tha has three dots. Let's go first find this one. Okay, so let me put this yellow highlighter. So whoever has the yellow highlighter, that's what we're going to find. Let's go find the Ba. The Ba can hide as a whole entire Ba like this, or the Ba can hide like this, one dot down. Okay, now let's go find it. Okay, let's go. This time let's use the bouncy ball. Okay, okay, this is the bouncy ball. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, let's go. We need Ba. Low. Bounce, 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 bounce. What's this?
Ba.
Ba. Good job. Here is the name. If you forget the name is written right here. Ba. Okay, good job. One more time. Bounce, 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 bounce. What is it? Say it more loud.
Ba.
Excellent. Ba. Good job. Good job. No other Ba. Okay, now get ready for this very tricky Ba. That's not a full entire Ba, but that looks like this. One dot down. Let's get ready to find this kind of a Ba. Okay, bounce, 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 bounce.
Bow.
Ah, see, it's acting really tricky. How is it acting tricky today? Let's see. Hey, it's trying to join like this from this side. Wow. Okay, so now this bar is trying to act really tricky. It's trying to act from its corner side, and it's trying to bring the dot like here. Okay, see, that's how it can be tricky. Okay, that's the bar right there. Okay, how about this one? What's this letter? That is also Ba. Okay, how do I know? One dot down. Okay, excellent. Let's go find another letter. Let's go find another letter. Let's go find Ta. Okay, how does the Ta hide? Sometimes the whole entire Ta, or sometimes the Ta can hide with two dots on top. Okay, let's go find Ta. It's going to be very tricky. Just find two dots on top. Okay, bounce, bounce, bounce. Where is it?
Ba.
Ah, okay, good job. Oh, what's this?
Ta.
I forgot to hide here. Here it's doing a really good job hiding. Here it forgot to hide, I guess. Okay, and how about this? Is this Ta? Now this is a tricky one. Okay, I can trick you also. Is this Ta? Yes, no.
Yes.
Say no. You know
No.
why? Yeah, but you know why? Because the dots are not on top, the dots are down. If something like that happens, that's not Ta, that's something else. Okay, let's go quickly find one more Ta. Okay, bounce, bounce, bounce. Hey, is this Ta? This is again a tricky one, okay? Okay, first let's go see this one. Is this Ta? What do you say? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, is this Ta? Yes, no. It's got a round big head and two dots. Can this be Ta?
No.
No, we don't need a round big head and two dots. We only need two dots. That's something else, some other letter. Good job. Okay, come on, let's quickly find letter Jim. Letter Jim. Jim can hide as a whole, or Jim can just hide with its head and one dot down. Now, every time there's not you won't find Jim in every sheet. Okay, it's not that common, but okay, let's go find Kha first. Okay, I can see a Kha. The Kha's head and one dot on top. Let's go find it. Bounce, bounce. Okay, so you just have to keep looking at this area. Let me make it this highlighted. Okay, so now we need to find a Kha. Let's go, let's go. Bounce, 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 bounce. What's this?
Ha.
Kha. See, Kha is hiding just with the head. If I make an entire big Kha, it's going to look like this. So it's hiding. See, it's hiding. The Kha is hiding. The head is hiding. It's trying to be very tricky. That's the Kha trying to hide right there. Okay, Let's quickly find, let's see if we can find a ha. Now we know. So the Jim hides the same way, just the dot is down. Let's go find a ha. Now every sheet will not have every letter. Okay, sometimes they're just not there. Okay, some letters are not that common. Okay, so most probably the kha is here. Okay, and the other letters I cannot see a jim or I cannot see a kha. Okay, but good job, mashallah. You did good. Now we know how to find the jim, ha, kha family, right? We know how to find the alif. We know how to find ba, ta, tha. Alif can be tricky because there are 3 kinds of alif, maybe even more. So one of the alif says this alif, a stick alif. The other alif is an alif that grabs. How does it grab? It grabs from, this was an alif, and then it can grab. Okay, so alif, and now it's a grabbing alif. What kind of alif is this? The slanted alif. Okay, mashallah, we did good. Okay, alhamdulillah.